Today we're working on installing the flooring. It's going fairly easily. Right, Michael?
It's going real easy. It's hard to be on your knees when you're an old man.
Okay. Working on the floor. And now the hard part. It's gonna work though, right, Michael?
Yeah. So, get a full one. Let's get it in place. Hold on.
Almost done.
Well, what we did today was put the floor in, as you saw before, and now it is completely finished.
You gonna show your piece?
And just gotta put some trim on it. But the main floor's in. So now we can start building. The retirement travel bus.
You gonna show your piece for the flooring?
So what we did was use vinyl, the Click It vinyl. It's solid vinyl, and it locks in place, and it has a backer board on it, the foam backing, so it's nice and soft. And very durable.
Makes it look way bigger.
Yep.